You can select a data visualization workbook to replace your Alma homepage. Your analytics administrators decide which workbooks are available as a homepage. This data visualization workbook, for example, provides insights on titles you might consider for deselection due to low usage. To set a data visualization workbook as your homepage, select the top option on the navigation bar, and under My Homepage, select the desired data visualization workbook. Note that a workbook will only appear here if added by your analytics administrators. After selecting a workbook, it is now your homepage and will display whenever you navigate home. Clicking View Full Workbook in Analytics opens Oracle Analytics with a full display of the workbook. This is especially useful for workbooks that contain several tabs, as you can navigate between the tabs in this view. You can always restore the original homepage in the same fashion, or select a different workbook. Finally, a note to analytics administrators. To make a data visualization workbook available as a homepage, go to Analytics, Analytics Object List. Find the workbook. You can filter by type Data Visualization Workbook. Click on the desired workbook, and under Report Preview, select Add as a Homepage Dashboard. The workbook will now be available from the Alma menu to the users it's shared with. Thanks for joining.